Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix missing app names in home screen on Samsung Galaxy A27. You can see I do have labels under my apps, but if you don't have them, you can just go to the settings and go to home screen. Then you can enable or disable showing app labels on home screen. When I disable it, you'll notice that apps now don't have labels, and when I go back and enable it, I can now see the labels. I can also enable labels under widgets, including even the search widget, which may be useful, and that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.